Hello, today you are gathered together with TP Education YouTube channel. Now I am going to tell you grade 9 science 19th lesson. Sustainable use of natural resources. Now let us learn about natural resources. Natural resources are the substances generated naturally without influence of human activities. In the world, there are many natural resources. Among them, there are basic natural resources. They are water, minerals and rocks, timber and plants. Now let us learn about water. Man cannot live without air more than a few minutes. Further, he can survive without water more than a week. Thus, the second most important resource on the earth is water. The natural way that the earth's surface gets water is the rain. If the rain is not properly used, it flows to the rivers and streams up to the sea. The great king Parakrama Bahu said that even a single drop of water should not be allowed to flow into the sea without being used by the man or animals. The water tank can be introduced as the great creation of our ancient people used for conservation and sustainable use of water. The water body that is construction by building a dam across the river, a stream is known as a weir. Minerals and rocks. A mineral is an inorganic solid substance with a definite chemical composition having a crystalline shape. Minerals occur naturally in our environment. There are some useful minerals found in Sri Lanka. They are graphite, quartz, ilmenite, silica, and etc. Rocks is a collection of minerals. For example, granite. Some rocks are made of single minerals. They are limestone, quartz. Gems. Gems are a sort of mineral crystal which is used making jewelry after cutting and polishing. Gem industry in Sri Lanka has a history of more than 2500 years. There are more than 200 kinds of gem identified in the world. It is amazing to mention that more than 70 types out of them are found in our small island. There are some important characteristics of gem are mentioned below. Hardened, resistant to be worn out, color and reflective index. Also that there are some problems associated with gem industry. Soil erosion because of irregular mining. Water pollution in stream and water bodies which are used for gemstone. Reduction of crop production as most of gem mining is done in paddy fields. Collapsing of riverbank due to mining near the riverbank. Trees. Trees can be divided into few groups. They are supply food. Examples: paddy, wheat, corn, pulses, yam, fruits and vegetables. Provide drinks: tea, coffee, polpala, wood apple. Supply fuel: coconut, rubber. For medicine: arulu, bulu, nelli. For chemicals: vallapatta and peanuts. For raw materials: cotton, jute, mulberry. For the manufacture of papers: paddy, peanuts. Some species: turmeric, curry seed, goraka, etc. Timbers. There are some special characteristics among timbers. They are durability, resistant to heat, electricity and sound, ability to create in attractive patterns due to silk and the color. Ancient times Sri Lanka was famous for the valuable timbers. Timber like ebony, sandalwood and clamanda wood. Specific use of some types of timbers. Jack is used for front doors of houses because its strength and durability and shine. Persian lilac timber is used for ceiling because it is very light. Panakka timber is used for making umbrellas because the stem panakkas is thin and straight. Horror timber is used for the underwater structures because they are long underwater. The timbers are destroyed by fungi and insects. Now let us learn there are some methods of preventing decay of timbers. They are prevention of absorbing moisture into timber, seasoning of timbers, use of wood preservatives. Now the lesson is over. Now you don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. Please subscribe it now.
Oh.